Okay, XYexplorer. Okay, how to uh, select a tab. Okay, those guy here with a shortcut. Let's say I'm here and I want to select the first one with control 1. Let's say control 1. See, boom. Okay, for that, uh, it seems there's no keyboard. There's no keyboard option here. I have to use a user okay guy here and go to run the script here and give it a name, and there we go. This is the script, and this is for tab number one, etc. So in my case I give a control E for that. Okay, and then I press control 1. Okay, it's not here because this is already assigned. So this guy, I assign control 1 to him. Right. And let's do another one. Can we duplicate him? Oh, copy item and then paste. Anyway, new here. Duplicate current one. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna call that say 2 and then this one here. See, boom, select tab 2. And this guy here, control 2 is not here because, okay, let's say okay. If I go to customization and then okay, all this guy here, we're gonna remove it. Okay, yeah, I don't want those guy here. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, okay, so yes, then I can here, right, and then we select here, press Control 2, there we go, name, boom, and then I press Control 2, Control 1, see, yeah, etc. 4, 3, 4, etc. Yeah, I'm gonna do it later.